Hi, welcome to Foodlicious. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I'll be adding 2 new recipes every week. They're very easy to make and ingredients are readily available in your kitchen. Today let's learn how to make these very delicious chocolate bombs. These can be eaten at breakfast time or as an evening snack as well. It's just up to you when you want to eat chocolate. These are filled with chocolate chunks. If you're a chocolate lover like me, this is going to be heaven. So try this recipe and let me know how this turns out in the comment section below. Now let's get started. First I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add half teaspoon baking soda. 1 cup of powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, just blend the regular sugar and you'll have some ready. Add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. Now add water little by little and make it into a thick batter. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Take 1/4 cup of melted butter. Put this in the batter and mix it well. Mix it gently as shown. Leave it aside for 5 minutes. Now take the paniyaram pan and heat it and put 2 drops of oil in each of the holes. Now put the batter in them, but don't fill it completely, fill only 3/4. Leave that gap because these will rise up a little. I'm taking some chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can just take a chocolate bar and cut it to small pieces. Now put them in the batter as shown. Make sure they are dipped in the batter. Just use a knife or a fork and dip them as much as possible into the batter. Now put the lid on and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now looks like one side is done, so we'll just flip them over to the other side. Do this nice and slow. We don't want them to break apart. Now that we've flipped all of them, put the lid back on and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes till the other side is also cooked. Now this one looks ready, so we can take this out. This one is ready too. This one seems to be a little raw, so just leave it for some more time. Now once they are ready, just take them out. Now our chocolate bombs are ready to be served. You can serve it as it is or you can have some toppings. I served them with whipped cream and some caramel syrup on it. You can also top it off with some ice cream and some chocolate syrup. It's totally up to our creativity and how we like it. If you like this recipe, please like and share with friends and family. And for more such recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to Foodlicious. Thank you.